Hi everybody, myself Radhakishan Maivedi, doing full-time PhD under the guidance of Dr. Panichami Yogesh, Professor in the Department of Information Science and Technology, Anna University, Chennai. The topic of a presentation is Linear Discriminant Analysis for Data Aggregation in Big Data Wireless Sensor Networks. A wireless sensor network consists of large number of tiny sensor nodes that collectively accomplish a particular task. These tiny sensor nodes have limited memory, low bandwidth, less CPU cycles, short communication, and in particular, very limited energy. Depending on the type of application, these sensor nodes consist of suite of sensors sensing different kinds of phenomena such as temperature, pressure, humidity, light, voltage, etc. Thus, the data generated by the sensor nodes become multidimensional data. In addition, the dense deployment of large number of sensor nodes makes WSN a producer of big data. However, the big data applications encounter two major problems. One is high energy consumption. This high energy consumption is due to the high volume of data to be transmitted. Second is complex data analysis. This problem occurs because of the redundancy contained in the spatially correlated observations. In order to handle these problems, researchers have focused on data aggregation, a natural approach employed in WSNs. This data aggregation technique aggregates the sensor data along the path from sensors to the sink. The main aim of data aggregation is to remove data redundancy and to avoid unnecessary forwarding of data. It is done by combining the data from different sensors using aggregation functions such as sum, average, min, max, count, etc. and forward the aggregated result either to the upstream nodes or to the base station. By aggregating data, this technique minimizes the number of data transmissions, saves energy, and thereby increases the lifetime of sensor networks. In order to increase the lifetime of wireless sensor networks, several data aggregation protocols have been developed. However, the existing data aggregation protocols pose problems when they are employed in big data applications. Though the data aggregation protocols, namely compressed sensing, discrete cosine transform, and principal component analysis, perform well, as I said earlier, these aggregation techniques are suffered by high energy consumption and complex data analysis problems when they are employed in big data applications. In order to overcome these problems, we propose a novel linear discriminant analysis based data aggregation protocol for multidimensional data in big data wireless sensor networks. The proposed protocol employs Fisher linear discriminant, a machine learning technique for aggregating multidimensional data. Though Fisher linear discriminant is a dimensionality reduction technique, it can also be used as a classifier. Thus, researchers have defined FLD as a classifier and a dimensionality reduction technique. For evaluating the aggregation accuracy, we have taken the Intel Berkeley Research Lab dataset. FLD as a classifier. In FLD as a classifier, before performing data aggregation, we project the multidimensional data down to one-dimensional data as y equal to w power t into x greater than or equal to minus w naught. Here, w is the weight vector, x is the data measure, w naught is the threshold. If the projected one-dimensional data is greater than the threshold, then we aggregate the data. Otherwise, it is a redundant data and gets eliminated. Using R, we compute the data aggregation accuracy. For the Intel Berkeley Research Lab data set, we obtained 97% accuracy for FLD as a classifier. FLD as a dimensionality reduction technique. Here, data aggregation is performed by reducing the multidimensional data into lower dimensional data with a good separation between different categories, that is, between different classes. This is the algorithm for data aggregation using FLD as a dimensionality reduction technique. This algorithm takes the data measures of child nodes as its input and produces the aggregated data measure as output. The entire process is done at the aggregators. Initially, the aggregator represents the data measures of a child nodes as an observation matrix. Then it computes the mean vector. Then it computes the within class scatter matrix and between class scatter matrix. After that, the inverse of within class scatter matrix is multiplied with the between class scatter matrix, and for the obtained matrix, the aggregator computes the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. After finding the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, the aggregator sort the eigenvectors in descending order of eigenvalues. Then it constructs the transformation matrix by selecting the top k eigenvectors corresponding to top k linear discriminants. Then it computes the projection matrix and sends it to the base station. In multi-level data aggregation, the aggregator finds the linear discriminants for its own data and child nodes data and combine these linear discriminants with the LDs of other intermediate nodes and forwards a single packet to its parent node. For this method, we obtain the aggregation accuracy as 95%. However, in step 4, the computation of inverse of within class scatter matrix incurs high computational overhead. But this high computational overhead can be reduced by using minimum redundancy, maximum relevance technique. Conclusion: the results of aggregation accuracy shows that FLD performs well in aggregating multidimensional data as a classifier and as a dimensionality reduction technique. This technique reduces the number of transmissions, saves energy, and thereby increases the lifetime of wireless sensor networks. Future work. In future, this work can be extended to detect malicious nodes so that the proposed work can be more robust in the presence of attacks. Acknowledgements. This work is supported by Visvesvaraya PhD Scheme for Electronics and IT, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. These are some of the works we have chosen for reference. Thank you.